Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to the old balcony. You know, the other day I did a video where I put up my wind chimes and they weren't chiming, and I just thought I'd come back. We got a nice day going, and they were chiming just a minute ago. And of course, the minute you grab the camera, then they quit. But the wind's kind of comes and goes in little gusts here, you know, so I thought at least, well, I'll come out, do the introduction part, and maybe they'll start chiming for us. We got nice blue skies, nice blue water. I love the sparkles on the water. Of course, the camera can never get it like real life, but you can see we got a little wind down there. The way I got this positioned, I don't get as much wind here because if it falls, I want it to fall on the balcony. You get a little bit. Of course, there's always a jet ski or something out there, but it's just my luck. I mean, all this time it's been quiet, and then you want to finally catch the things where they're making a little tone, and there's got to be a boat or a jet ski or somebody going by. But I thought I'd better get it now before this weekend really kicks off, because Labor Day weekend, the lake's going to be busy. Things going to be winding down for the season for a lot of people. I'm going to keep my boat in till the end if I can. So I'm really happy with the wind chimes. They are not overpowering, like they're more subtle, which I like. I don't want something that's just going to be ringing like obnoxiously. I think these have a great tone, and no matter which way the wind's blowing, they sound pretty good. I find them rather enchanting, mesmerizing. You can just sit out here absorbing the sunshine and watching the little flappers. Well, they're really getting going now. Well, it's pretty good. Not over the top. Somewhat subtle. Peaceful. That's what I like. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend. I'm sure I'll begin on making a few videos. As always, I appreciate you guys stopping by, spending a few moments with the old guy. I look forward to it. Till next time, we'll see you.